AutoCAD 3D. Elevate your academic excellence. AutoCAD Civil 3D is a cornerstone tool for students and professionals in engineering and architecture, facilitating a journey of continuous learning and practical application. This software transcends mere functionality, serving as a bridge between theoretical knowledge and real-world design challenges. Its dynamic environment enables users to design, model, and analyze infrastructure projects with precision and efficiency across various domains such as roadways, bridges, land development, and water projects. Embracing AutoCAD. Civil 3D in academic settings enhances learning outcomes by providing hands-on experience and immediate feedback. Students gain a deeper comprehension of complex civil engineering concepts such as topography, hydrology, and environmental engineering. Integrating the software into the curriculum transforms classrooms into hubs of innovation, fostering problem-solving skills, critical thinking, and a solution-oriented mindset among students. Moreover, AutoCAD Civil 3D promotes collaboration and communication, vital skills in the professional realm. Through shared projects, students learn to work effectively in multidisciplinary teams, mirroring real-world scenarios. Advanced features of the software allow for the exploration of complex datasets and sophisticated analyses, empowering students to tackle real-world environmental challenges such as designing efficient water management systems. Understanding AutoCAD. Civil 3D workflows is key to bridging the gap between theory and practice. By mastering these workflows, students can ensure that every phase of a project is grounded in sound engineering principles, leading to more efficient and accurate designs. The support offered by the AutoCAD Civil 3D community, including online forums, tutorials, and webinars, further fosters a culture of continuous learning and academic excellence. As the field of civil engineering evolves, staying engaged with AutoCAD Civil 3D ensures that students and professionals remain competitive in the job market. Employers highly value the practical experience and problem-solving abilities developed through the use of this software. By integrating AutoCAD Civil 3D into their academic journey, students not only excel academically, but also position themselves as desirable candidates for future employment. AutoCAD Civil 3D serves as a pathway to academic and professional success in the realms of engineering and architecture. Its ability to integrate theory with practice, foster innovation, promote collaboration, and streamline workflows elevates the academic experience for students. By embracing this powerful tool, individuals can embark on a journey towards new heights of academic and professional achievement, shaping the future of civil engineering and architecture. Embrace it, excel with it, and let it propel you towards a future filled with endless possibilities.